Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check Nike gift card balance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you of course haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top right corner, as you can see, we have the search bar, we have your profile, your bag, and these three lines where you can check out again about things about your profile, and we have a lot more things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check Nike gift card balance. So it is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it, of course. But now guys, basically, you can check your Nike card balance online via the website by visiting the Nike gift card checker page. So you just need to go and type in Nike gift card checker page. Log into your account with your, of course, credentials on the Nike website. In the box provider, enter your gift card details. For the gift card number and PIN, the website will display your Nike gift card balance, and you'll then, of course, know what your balance is at the moment. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.